Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is Coleman Fold & Go Propane Grill. If you're looking for a lightweight, compact, and reliable propane grill, the Coleman Fold & Go Propane Grill is an excellent choice. With 6,000 BTUs of cooking power, an adjustable burner, and Insta-Start ignition, this grill is designed for camping, tailgating, and outdoor adventures. Its folding design makes it easy to transport and store, while the non-stick cooking surface ensures hassle-free grilling and cleanup. The Coleman Fold & Go grill is incredibly easy to set up and use. The Insta-Start button allows for quick ignition, eliminating the hassle of using matches. The 6,000 BTU burner provides sufficient heat for grilling burgers, hot dogs, chicken, and vegetables. The heat control is adjustable, so you can fine-tune the temperature for different cooking needs. One of the standout features is its compact and portable design. Our second 5 portable grills that fit in your backpack is GasOne Tabletop Propane Grill. Whether you're grilling burgers at a campsite or cooking a quick meal on your patio, the GasOne Propane Grill is a versatile and efficient choice. Perfect for RV travel, camping, and small outdoor spaces. Spacious enough to grill multiple items at once. Ensures safety when moving or adjusting the grill. User-friendly, allows precise heat adjustments for different foods. Designed for long-lasting outdoor use. Propane-powered runs on standard propane cylinders, making it convenient for travel. Campers and RV travelers. The compact size and propane power make it a great on-the-go grill. Lightweight and portable for pre-game grilling. Fits well on small patios and balconies. Easy to set up and operate without complicated controls. The GasOne Tabletop Grill is designed for ease of use and efficiency. The user-friendly temperature control knob allows you to adjust the heat precisely, ensuring that your food cooks evenly without burning. The large cooking surface is spacious enough to accommodate several burgers, hot dogs, or even a few steaks at a time, making it a great choice for small family gatherings or solo camping trips. One of the best aspects of this grill is its portability. Unlike bulky traditional grills, this tabletop model is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you're grilling on your patio. Third in our list is Generic Portable Charcoal Grill. Whether you're camping, tailgating, hosting a backyard barbecue, or enjoying a beach picnic, this tabletop charcoal grill delivers a traditional smoky flavor in a portable and easy-to-use design. Compact and portable design, small enough for easy transport, but spacious enough to cook for a small group. Made with high-quality metal, ensuring longevity and heat resistance. Provides even heat distribution for better grilling results. Quick setup and removable parts for hassle-free cleaning. Brings authentic BBQ taste to your food. Perfect for camping, beach trips, picnics, and backyard grilling. The Kenmore Red Portable Charcoal Grill is designed for quick and convenient grilling. Its lightweight yet sturdy build makes it easy to transport, while the efficient air vents help maintain consistent heat levels for perfectly grilled meats and vegetables. The cooking surface is ideal for small gatherings, allowing you to grill several burgers, hot dogs, steaks, or skewers at once. The compact size ensures you can set it up anywhere, whether it's a campground, patio, or picnic table. One of the standout features is its simple assembly. You can have it ready to cook in just a few minutes. The removable grill grates and easy-to-clean design make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Ideal for grilling on the go. Compact enough for limited space. Easy to use, clean, and store. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry. While it may not be ideal for large cookouts, its compact design and ease of use make it perfect for small gatherings, camping trips, or casual backyard barbecues. Number 4. In our 5 portable grills that fit in your backpack list is Kenmore 2-burner portable tabletop retro gas grill. If you're looking for a portable gas grill that combines retro charm with modern performance, the Kenmore 2-burner portable tabletop gas grill is a fantastic choice. This compact yet powerful grill is perfect for camping trips, tailgating, picnics, and small backyard cookouts, delivering even heat distribution and excellent grilling results. Compact enough for small spaces, but powerful enough to handle your grilling needs. 2 high-performance burners ensure even heating across the cooking surface. Features an easy-to-use ignition system for quick startups. Built with high-quality materials for long-lasting use. A sleek, vintage-inspired design that stands out. Perfect for camping, tailgating, RVing, and backyard grilling. The Kenmore 2-burner portable tabletop grill is designed for efficiency and convenience. Our last pick is CAMPLUX Small Propane Grill 10,000 BTU. The CAMPLUX Small Propane Grill is designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind. Its 10,000 BTU burner provides consistent and even heat, ensuring perfectly grilled steaks, burgers, or vegetables every time. The 189 square inches of cooking space is enough to prepare food for 2 to 4 people, making it great for solo trips or small gatherings. Setting up the grill is quick and easy, thanks to the push-and-turn ignition system. No need to deal with matches or lighters, just connect a 1-pound propane tank, or larger with an adapter, and you're ready to grill. The sturdy foldable legs and lockable lid make transport and storage hassle-free, while the durable black finish gives it a sleek and rugged look. This grill is also easy to clean, with a removable grease tray that collects drippings efficiently. The stainless steel cooking grate ensures durability and even cooking performance over time, provides consistent heat distribution for even cooking. Compact and lightweight, perfect for camping, RV trips, and small outdoor spaces. 189 square inches cooking space, spacious enough to cook for a small group.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!